Raghav from Rewari. So I got both the eyes operated in Center for Sight Hospital in Rewari. I belong to Rewari in fact, and I was referred by some of the known person from Rewari. I took my wife along with me here, and I got operated her left eye on that day. So as far as the doctors are concerned, doctors are very nice, and the staff is totally good, I must say. And I would like to prefer other people also to come over here and get operated. Whatever the eyes related issues are there, they will come and get it operated, and they will get the needful done here. And all the staff are very cooperative. And as far as Dr. Prateeksha Sharma, Prateeksha Sharma, in fact, she is very good doctor. She operated both the eyes of my wife. Today also, after just a span of 6 days, she got operated another eye also. So she is just sitting just with me here. She is quite well, and even she doesn't have any problem in past and today as well.
Follow Center for Sight and post your queries to get answers from the experts.